To clear the cache from your Waze app and remove temporary files, in this video, I'll show you how to clear the Waze app cache step by step. First, open your phone settings app. Then scroll down and tap Apps or App Management, depending on your device. Find and select Waze from the list of installed applications. Next, tap Storage or Storage and Cache. You'll see options for managing the app's stored data. Tap Clear Cache to remove Waze temporary cache files. Make sure you select Clear Cache, not Clear Storage or Clear Data, because clearing the app's data may remove saved settings and require you to set up Waze again. After clearing the cache, open Waze again and check that everything is working normally. And that's how to clear the Waze app cache and remove temporary cache files. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.